Oh boy.
No. No.
Did you just blow a bubble? I heard it ever so slightly.
Yeah, she's gonna be. Wait, how old is she before I say this?
Really well done for an indoor course. I haven't seen something like that. Bounced out, but we're back in. Works for me.
No way. Boots and pants and boots and pants. No shit. I quit. I'm resigning. Oh man.
Oh man. Of course, the only.
Yeah, I'm not gonna show you after that, bro. I'm walking away. So yeah, I'll still make Roblox documentaries, but once something big happens, it must have stopped recording. That's not good. Okay, so are you able to join me and we'll just record these, I guess? Goodbye. Bro tried stretching to cover it up. Dude, I really need to poop.
That was just straight up liquid.
I also really need to poop.
This time, don't do it here. What did I just say? You can't do that.
Windshield. Get it fixed any way you want with Safe Light.
Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace.
I have a family.
Dude, it was so freaking tough.
Oh.
Okay, So like, me doing that, I can't hear that, but I can hear this for sure.
Pregnant.
That's not the right one. Oh, you know what it is?
Dear God. That made me frown.
probably likes it. See?
Guess what I have?
Is it hot in here? Are you hot? I mean, you are hot. I mean...
That's a bad idea. You know what? Let's just do it.
Oh, it's this guy.
Three parts to that. Lower the volume of things. Oh, it's already at 1. Alright.
Alright.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, 1. Alright.
Whoa, hey. What about that? It doesn't look like anything's new.
Bro.
It doesn't look like anything's new.
Go to the bathroom, bro.
I need bear music.
What are these sounds for?
Yeah, I agree with your brother crying. They're alpha.
Monkey.
Why did it speak to me?
End up becoming like one of my least favorite FNAF games as of the story and gameplay. But
Well, I mean,
yeah.
Sure. that definitely bubbled.
Exclusive item. Limited items will.
My stomach is not okay. What is going? Dude, I don't like these noises it's making.
Oh.
Your cat's still on you?
Yeah.
What in the front rooms? Kind of. I don't want popcorn anymore.
We just started calling.
Beans!
Oh, can you not?
Hey,
Can you not, bro?
bro.
Can you not?
Goofia.
My head disappears off my body. That's why you can't see anymore. Spencer's just running by it. He's not even trying to catch it. What's actually happening is that Headless Brent and the cheese are chasing you.
You three there's an explosion and cold and one of you trips over and the others get really angry.
This one's tough as fuck.
Who's it gonna be that trips over?
Why the f are you meditating over there?
Now we look like clowns.
I can add bass. What's my base?
Add 500 base.
What about treble? It's probably like. It's not too bad, I guess.
I got some base.
That's funny.
I know, right? I'm so funny, guys.
No, you ain't.
Whoa.
You're in a video game.
I'm crunchy. They're just the same two tier and three actually.
What if you tried finding a different...
Yeah.
Why does this sound so fire?
Yeah. I'm widowing it. I'm widowing it. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw the door aside, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. Bro, that might be him. Yeah. That's him.
Now you're really you. What the
Oh god. Okay. Good night.